Well, after about an hour of kayaking for today, I can definitely say that working out at 5 a.m. over at Spark Fit and then coming to post-work kayaking is a brutal way, energy-wise, to zap everything out of you. However, we will definitely chalk this week up as a big dub and a huge milestone, with today being the first week that I did not have to wet exit the kayak today. I hit every roll that I tried. I worked on a couple of different little tricks for the day. Really more skills to build the tricks. But I tried to do a lean clean. I worked on my couple little paddling tricks. More to stay up top and balanced. But yeah, we'll count that as a dub and definitely a tired week 3 of kayaking. And can't wait to see what happens in week 4. Check you out next time.